What's up, everybody? Scott here. So this is our first time using this air fryer. So we first had it preheat on high, as the instructions say, for 10 to 15 minutes, which is basically 400 degrees. But a couple cool features of this is it's got the window in the front, and then it's got this light button right here. So you can see the food on the inside. We've got some cauliflower in there, and then you can turn it off by pushing the light button back, and then here's your temperature buttons up there, up and down, and then your time too if you need to adjust it. But we put this on the vegetable function because that's what we got in there. As you can see, the cauliflower. So here's what the side looks like, and then here's the top. There you got the cord and everything coming out the back. It vents out the back here. This does get a little warm on top and the sides too, so just keep that in mind. Obviously there's your digital display with the time and the temperature, and then here's your power button or pause, so you can pause it just like that and it flashes, and you can hit it again to start it back up. So, and then here's your button right here to get the basket out. So you'll want to push that down when you pull the basket out to open it up, because it basically clips in there once you put it in the air fryer. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you this real quick.